Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from A Pretty Charmed Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of the new items that Aurora Charm has recently released, and those are the rainbow colored enamel stoppers as well as one of their Frangipani charms. But I'm going to spend most of my time on these stoppers because they're more universal than stoppers that say Pandora has. So let's just take a look at these colors up close. I do have one of each. Thank you, Aurora, for sending me these so I could do this video and see how these fit on other bracelets. So here you have them on a Trollbeads bangle and they fit perfectly. Like, you have to really move it yourself. It's got a really good grip and it's just styled here with Pandora and Trollbeads. I felt like the rainbow color was just really fitting to put all of these together. So you know that they fit this really well. So now let's just take a look at how they fit some of the other bracelets. Obviously, they are going to fit Aurora's perfectly because they're made for Aurora. So there you go. Here's one of their silver stoppers. So they are a little bit bigger than Aurora's silver stoppers. We have that there. Take that off. So we'll look at that design later. And let's start with Pandora. Since the majority of you are Pandora collectors, let's take a look at how this would fit on a Pandora Me or Essence bracelet, as these are smaller. So as you can see, these do not grip anything on the Essence or Pandora Me. So note to self, if you're looking for stoppers, you'll want to stick with the stoppers that these come with. But I believe this Essence might be the only ones they don't fit. I think I tried everything. Let's take a look. We'll just continue going. My question to them was, are they gonna fit on a regular Pandora snake chain? Because usually the stoppers that Pandora comes with do not fit. So they told me they did, and lo and behold, it does like take a second to push in, and one way for some reason goes on a little bit easier than the other. All right, I'm getting it there. All right, so there we go. It does fit over the threading, which could come in helpful for some of Pandora's bracelets that now don't have like the clip stations. So those can work really well. It's kind of easy to move, but I mean, it's not going to move on its own. So yes, they do fit on a regular Pandora snake chain. Next up in the Pandora lineup, let's take a look at how they would fit on the open bangles. I would assume they would fit really good. Yeah, they do. And again, this is compared to the Pandora stopper. So it is a little bit bigger in size here too, but you're gonna get a good fit. One of the bracelets that I think really benefit from stoppers are the open bangles. And just like the snake chains, you're gonna have to get it through a little bit of threading. This is actually going on easier than the snake chain. And then there you go. You can get them to fit on Pandora's regular bangles that do have threading. Next up, actually let's give another color some love. Let's go with pink over here. This is Pandora's sliding bangle. Let's take a look at how this would fit. There's a little bit of a grip thing there. It fits great on Pandora's sliding bangles too. I really do think all of these are gonna pass the test, you guys. The few I tested passed. Okay, I think that's it in my lineup of Pandora bracelets. Now let's go to Trollbeads and see how it fits on Trollbeads. So this would be the end that it would go on. We'll give the white one some love here. I, in general, have a hard time getting stoppers through Trollbeads, so if I fumble, that is a me problem, not a... Oh, these ones are actually easier to get on than the Trollbead spacers. These fit this perfectly. Really good fit on the Trollbeads foxtail. All right, lastly, it will be OHM Beads that we will try this on. I have a feeling it's gonna work perfectly, and it does. There you go. these spacers fit on pretty much all of the bracelets that I have, with the exception of Essence or Pandora Me, just because those are just made smaller in general. I'll put all 3 of these ones on here, that way you can see all of the colors that Aurora has in these stoppers. It's a really good variety of color. They really remind me of the enamel that Pandora's been doing on like the Up charms, or if you guys have seen some of the Disney Parks exclusives with a lot of enamel work. I think these would partner with them really, really well. For now, I just love my rainbow design. June was Pride Month. I just felt like it was the perfect design. So we'll put these ones over here. So there you go. Let me know what you think of these stoppers. I know people are always like, where do you get stoppers? Or I've even on Amazon just bought like the silicone ones, but they don't look really nice. So this is another really good alternative when it comes to stoppers. So thank you, Aurora, for making so many options for us. And then lastly, I wanted to show you this charm up close. I did show it on my IGTV, but for those of you who don't watch Instagram or want to see it in here with the stoppers, this charm is one of their newer charms too, and I don't have any of their Frangipani flowers, and now I'm thinking I might need to go and get some because they come in a variety of different colors. And this is their newer one, that purple enamel with that pop of yellow in the middle. This is so pretty. I put it on my little Prince theme bracelet. I originally had the lotus flower, which I love too, but I had to add the color. It's just gorgeous. So this one also now available at Aurora Charm. I didn't know. Like, I've seen so many pictures of this, and a lot of people that I follow on Instagram have these flowers, but just in real life, it is game changing to see this one in real life. So yeah, very pretty. And then of course, the little prince. This is like one of my favorite bracelet designs that I've done from Aurora because the little prince is so special. So that's it. Those are some of the newer things that Aurora has sent me to review. Thank you again, Aurora, for that. And I am so interested in what you guys are thinking about these options. Let me know what you think about the stoppers. Let me know what you think about this. Leave me a comment below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.